Atma Namaste everyone. This year the Lionsgate portal is very special because it is happening on Leo new moon, which is full of energetic healing and manifestation of abundance. So today I'm going to talk about all the 12 zodiac signs. What are you supposed to manifest in these energetic times to achieve the maximum in your life? So for every zodiac, a different kind of healing is coming across, and listen to the things what I am telling you carefully and work accordingly so that you can achieve your dream life. This particular new moon is a fantastic time to plant seeds, start an endeavor, or adopt a fresh perspective. Here you are going to learn that how Lionsgate portal may affect your sign. Plus, you get a tip for the best way to empower your manifestations and set new intentions. Aries, your new moon manifestation tip. Your inner child is a powerful resource for creativity. When we are born, we can feel the drive to freely express who we are until the outside world sources trauma dims our light. During this new moon, take some time to write a healing letter to your 5-year-old self. In it, you can release and heal what holds you back from fully being in your self-expression. So do a meditation after and visually send love to your 5-year-old self. So go into those times when you were just 5 years old and try to manifest the energies of those times, and then visualize that you are still on those times only. Sign Taurus, your new moon manifestation tip. Nature is a powerful force for Taurians. So what you have to do? Go and take a walk in a park or on a beach and do a quiet meditation. And during your meditation, visualize your desired future, your dreams. Visualize as if they have come true. Feel that. And after the meditation, you can even put all those dreams into words. Write them on a piece of paper and keep that aside. This is how you are going to manifest your dream life. Gemini, your new moon manifestation tip. Setting intentions through scripting is a powerful way to plant new seeds during a new moon. So take a piece of paper and a green pen. You can even light an abundance candle of your choice during this ritual. Write in first person what you want to bring in and what truly aligns with your spirit. Write whatever you want in life, whatever is your dream. Then fold this paper, put below your pillow and go off to sleep. Let the universe bring in your dreams come true. Cancer, your new moon manifestation tip. Words are spells and affirmations are a powerful way to improve your finances. This is simply affirming wealth and abundance. On a piece of paper, write down 8 first-person statements like, money flows easily to me. All my debts are paid. I am never without an abundance of available cash. Write all these statements again 8 times. Read them to yourself every morning for 21 days. You will see the difference. Leo sign, your new moon manifestation tip. Make a list of what you need in either a love of work or a love of relationship. When we identify what we need with the universe, it becomes easier to receive. So make a list of things you want to create a relationship or a business deal. and let the universe do the work. Virgo sign, your new moon manifestation tip. A vision board is a powerful manifestation tool that can also help you push past creative limitations. So, what you have to do? You have to create a vision board. On that, you have to put pictures, write affirmations, write your dreams on that, and then hang this in a very visible place in your home to watch the magic unfold in your life. Libra. So, Libra is an air sign. So, the manifestation tip for you is related to breathing. So, breathe in positive things, breathe out negativity in life. Choose your favorite practice or breathe program and tap into that power. To make this even more potent, start to visualize your goals coming to fruition during this season. So imagine as if your dreams have become a reality while you are doing this breathing in and breathing out. Scorpio, this is a powerful day for you to release creative restriction, to do something out of your comfort zone. Indulge in a finger painting, going back on a local adventure, or posting some work publicly on your social media. So you can paint something, you can go for a walk or some adventurous activity, or post something on your social media. Taking action like this is a spiritual alchemy and can help you energetically release fear surrounding your true self-expression. So when the fear goes up, you are able to get your true self. Sagittarius, your new moon manifestation tip. Sagittarius can have the tendency to think of the bigger picture but lose interest in the details. So scripting a powerful tool to accurately identifying your future idea in order for the universe to deliver. Take time during this new moon to set intentions by writing down your big ideas in first person. So write your dreams on a paper for the universe to get them manifested. Capricorn, your manifestation tip. This is the perfect time to take a break and release energy. You may be feeling hyper focused on finances, and all this does energetically push abundance away. So release these inner tensions through movement with a practice like stretching, walking, or yoga. When we step away from situations, we can allow the universe to do the work for us through screenplay. So what you can do, you are too much occupied into this money. So release, let go. Let the universe bring in those abundance energies into your life. Aquarius, your new moon manifestation tip. Creating a love list is a powerful way to lock in what you need in a partnership. A pink candle, pen and paper is perfect for this. During this new moon, light the candle, meditate on this area of your life. Afterward, write down what comes up to you in the first person as your love intention. Fold the paper in half towards you, and then you can roll it and sleep with this under your pillow. Pisces, your new moon manifestation tip. Meditation is a powerful tool for you. Take some time during this new moon to quiet your mind and your energy with a session or a practitioner of your choice. This allows you to reconnect with your emotional body, especially as an intuitive water sign. After you are welcome to journal what comes up. Make a list of what in your life feels authentic, what doesn't, to give you an idea what to change. So after meditation, put down whatever came in the meditation. What are the things you need to focus? What are the things you need to let go? So these were few of the manifestation tips, how you can make use of these supercharged high power energies that are in universe. use this opportunity, write your wishes. So I have already created 2 more videos. One video talks about what is Lionsgate portal, another video that removes all the obstacles, all the hurdles for all the zodiac signs. And this one is the things you need to do to create your dream life. Atma Namaste. Do share, like and subscribe my channel. Send your friends this link so they can also subscribe my channel, Abundance and Grace. So in near future, whenever I upload a video, you all can get notified. So hit the bell icon as well and make the most out of your life by writing down your dreams, blessing them, meditating them. Have a great year. Atma Namaste.